Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your USB port is not working in Windows 10. So let's begin our video. Guys, if you connect any kind of USB devices in your PC or laptop, like that pen drive or Wi-Fi adapter, anything you can connect in your USB port on laptop or PC, but it's not working. So how can you solve this problem? In this video I will share that. So for that you just need to go on this start button here, and now you just need to right click on your mouse and then go on device manager from here, and after that you can see there have an option human interface devices. Select on this arrow icon and then go on the list. There have a two option, USB input devices, USB input devices. So you just need to select it and right click on your mouse and update this driver. After complete update first on, then go on second on, then right click on your mouse, then update this driver. In this way you just need to update this two driver, and after that you just need to restart your PC or laptop, and after that you just need to connect your USB devices. Then I hope your USB port is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.